Hello viewers, welcome back in our episode. Today we are learning about functions in C. In a previous episode, we provide your basic knowledge about functions. Today we discuss more about functions. So please let's start code block. A function definition in C programming consists of function header and a function body. This is the example of a function that will take two arguments and return the sum of the arguments returned to the main function. A return type of function may returns a value. The return type is other data type. Of the value, the function returns. Some functions perform the desired operations without returning a value. In this case, return type is the keyword void. Another thing is function name. This is the actual name of the function. The function name and the parameter list together constitute the function signature. Another thing is a parameter. A parameter is like a placeholder. When a function is invoked, you pass a value to the function. The value is referred as an actual parameter or argument. The parameter list refer to the type order, and the number of the parameters of a function. Parameters are optional, that is, a function may contains no parameter. Another thing is function body. The function body contains a collection of statements that define what a function does. Now, in a previous episode, we are describing some type of the functions. One is function have with argument with return. Another function is function have no argument with return. Another type of function is function have with argument and no return, and last one is function have no argument and no return. First of all, we discuss about the first type, which is function have with argument and with return. This is the example of such type which have only two argument and a return. One more thing is that is more rememberable thing is function can return only one value at a time. So function name is like that is not a type of any argument or keyword. So function name will be as, which is not a type of any keyword, any variable name or other thing. So we are giving a name which is sum. Sum is a function, or you can say user defined function, which contain two arguments. One argument is integer type and other argument is integer type, and it can return only one value, that is also an integer type. So this is the function declaration. This is the function declaration. Inside the main, we are required three variables a, b and c. First of all, we have to take input from the keyboard, so we can use the scanf function, that is formatted scan function, which takes a two value from the keyboard. So we can write this %d, that is format specifier for integer variable, another %d, that is also a format specifier for integer variable, that is b. So and %a and comma and %b. The whole statement is taking two argument, a, the value of a and the value of b. We give, or you can say you provide the value of a and b to the function at the time of calling the function. So this is the calling line, you can say function calling. When the function call from this line, line number 11, the focus, or you can say control, is transferred to the line number 14 automatically. Here you can see we are providing a definition of function which named is sum. It have two arguments, one is integer type, another is also an integer type. We are declaring two variables, one is x, another is y. The value of a transferred to the value of a transferred to the this variable, and the value of b is transferred to this variable according to the sequence. Another variable z is declared in this block. This block is known as the body of the function. Now you can add both of these two variable and the value of these two variable. We are just adding the value of these two variable and transferred or assigned to the variable z. Now this is the calculating step or processing step. The value of z is transferred here from the return function or return statement to the line number 11, where we are calling function, we are calling our function. The control is transferred to that line. Now the result z is in place of here, and result is assigned to into the c variable. And next statement is printf. It is used for printing the value of c, so we can use the format specifier %d, c. Now we can see this output, the output of this program. We can build this and we can run this. Now we can run this. It is waiting for two values, one is a, another is b. One value is 3, another value is 5, or this is the answer. Now in this episode we are watching a first type function have argument and with return. So see you next video. We can give the knowledge about more function in C, and our next type is function have no argument with return. So see you next time.